Myself, S.C. Pandey from Tagore Public School, Surajgarh, as PGT Biology. Today, I will discuss about the biology subject as chapter 2nd. Main topic is plant kingdom. Plant kingdom, which is the one kingdom in the five kingdom system of classification given by R. H. Whitaker in 1969. Plant kingdom generally has important characters like mostly multicellular organism. These are multicellular, means the plant body made by many cells, so called as multicellular organism. Chlorophyll for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, a type of life process. For this chlorophyll present in the cell. Second character is as herbs, shrubs and trees. Here, shrubs are mostly the small size of the trees. These shrubs shows branching from the soil. Due to much branching and small size than tree, the shrub term apply for such type of plants. And trees are perennial and huge size. Perennial means the lifespan many years. Life is many years. It means perennials and huge size like mango, sesame, ficus and tamarind like trees. In the shrubs, good examples are tulsi plant, China rose which is called gurhal, and kaner. These are good example of shrubs. Herbs are very small size plant with the herbaceous stem. Herbaceous means the herbs are utilized as fodder by the cattle, and herbs grow, develop and die mostly in 1 year, called annual. For example, wheat, rice, barley, bajra, maize. These are annual, and sometime in the first year vegetative growth occur, and second year flowering occur, fruit formation occur, and plant die. So such type of plants called as biennial plants, like in case of carrot, sugarcane, radish, etc. In the trees, which are mostly perennial and woody, much branching occur and much leaves are found, which provide the shape of the tree, either without leaves, without flower and fruits. Only the stem and stem branching shows the skeletal like structure of the plant. Here the sporophyte, sporophytic means diploid phase, and gametophytic means the haploid phase. Gametophytic phase given by the symbol N comes in the alternate way. alternate manner called as alternation of generation. It is called as alternation of generation. So alternation of generation is found in the plants, mostly in the case of flowering plants, in which the diploid sporophytic phase, diploid means two young, sporophytic phase, which produces gamete in the form of male gamete and female gamete in the form of egg cell, which is called gametophytic phase, shown by the N, represent the haploid structure. So sporophyte, which produces gametophyte, and when gametes are fused, gametic fusion means fertilization, result production of a diploid cell called zygote, and this zygote divides and redivides continue, produces embryo in the seed. When seed has sown in the soil, germinate, grow and develop the sporophyte plant. So seed mostly the sporophyte first structure, which has sown in the soil, germinate, after growth and development, flowering and fruit formation take place. Seeds are present inside the fruit. When fruit fall occur, then seeds are dispersed from one place to another place. In this way, plants grow up without any type of human activity in the nature, by the help of dispersion of the seeds, by the help of birds and different types of animals who transfer the seeds from one place to another place. After the favorable condition, after the rainfall, such seeds grown and growth occur in the small plants, then branching occur. After the vegetative growth, flower formation occur. In the flower, after pollination, fertilization, then seed formation occur in the fruit, and fruit developed by the mature ovary, seed developed by the mature ovule. As such type of topic has discussed already in the previous lecture delivered by me. Third character is root system, shows positively geotropic and shoot system shows positively phototropic nature. Are characteristics or characters. Positively geotropic means root grows in the soil towards the gravity. That is why it is called positively geotropic in nature. And shoot system or shoot grow towards the light, towards the sunlight. That is why shoot is called as positively phototropic in nature. After this, the branches or main tree trunk bears fruits. For example, in case of jackfruit means kathal. In case of kathal, generally the fruit attached directly with the main tree trunk. But in case of mango, fruits are found on the branches, like in case of sesame and tamarind tree. Next character of plant kingdom is the stem may be unbranched or mostly branched type. Here, all the plant kingdom which generally shows the asexual as well as sexual reproduction found. Sexual reproduction may be either isogamous type or oogamous type. Oogamous means the gametes are, as male gamete is smaller, male gamete is smaller than female gamete. This is symbol for female. Male gamete is smaller than female gamete. This is called oogamous type. And in case of isogamous, both gametes are similar. If both gametes are same size, it is called oogamous. And if male gamete is smaller than the female gamete, called oogamous type, sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction generally occur by the help of root, sometime by the help of stem, sometime by the help of leaf, as in case of vegetative propagation. In case of vegetative propagation, plant are indicated by the different divisions. These are divisions as division fungi. Here, division algae in the plant kingdom. Generally, I told you earlier about kingdom fungi, in which chlorophyll is absent. So these are non-chlorophyllous multicellular structure. But in the plants which are multicellular organism with chlorophyll. So such type of flowering plants or such type of divisions like algae, these are mostly found in the water. These are mostly found in water. This is the first character. These are mostly found in the water. Second one is grow in the low light intensity. In the low light intensity. And third character is maybe green, brown and red color. Means many colors are found in the algae. So the division algae which shows peculiar property, peculiar characters which are generally in the case of sexual reproduction, generally in the algae which is mostly found in the water. Water means both fresh water sources like pond, river, lakes, swamps, pools, etc. and marine water sources. In the marine water, mostly algae are found in the seas and oceans, ocean water. So, mostly found in the water, either in the freshwater sources or marine water sources like seas and ocean. Second character is, as the second character is, these are mostly grow in the low light intensity. Third character is mostly green color, brown color or red color. And here the algae, fourth important character is, shows asexual reproduction by zoospore. By zoospores, sometime aplanospore. Aplanospore means non-motile spore. Aplanospores are non-motile, although zoospores are motile structure. These are motile structure. Here, in the case of sexual reproduction in the algae, the sexual reproduction in the algae, the male structure is known as the globule, and female structure as nacule. In the oidogonium, here few algae, generally as parasite alga. Good example is Cephalurus. Cephalurus is parasite on tea leaf. Cephalurus is parasite on tea leaf. So this is the medical question, medical examination question. Cephalurus is parasite on tea leaf. Tea means Commelina sinensis. And so parasite alga. And seventh one is the red pigment present in the red algae, brown pigment means it is phycocyanin in brown algae. Algae which are mostly floats on the surface of water in the rainy season in the ponds and makes the color of the water surface, sometimes brown and red color. So such type of algae refer as blue-green algae, but the algae mostly named as the Here one algae, Chara. Chara is called stone wort as common name. Chara is called stone wort and generally macrocystis alga is longest alga. So important term apply in the division algae, and one very important term, that is study of algae, called phycology. Study of algae called phycology. After algae, I will tell you about the division Bryophyta. After algae, I will tell you about the division Bryophyta or about the bryophytes. These are called as amphibious plants because such type of plants grow in the water as well as on the land. In the water and on the land, growth occur. Hence, called as amphibious plant. Amphi, as big word, amphi means both, plus bias means life. So bryophytes survive in both water as well as on the land. If it grow on the land, called as terrestrial, and if grow in the water, on the water, called as aquatic bryophyte. Aquatic bryophyte and terrestrial bryophytes. Aquatic bryophytes, a good example is Riccia fruitans, is good example of aquatic bryophyte. This is the NEET examination question, very important for the different types of examination. As competitive examination, Riccia fruitans is good example of aquatic bryophyte, and terrestrial bryophytes are, for example, these are mainly the Riccia, Markensia, Pelia, Cholera, Buxbaumia, and the Anthoceros. Anthoceros, which is called as hornwort, and the Pogonatum. In bryophytes, mostly the asexual reproduction by Jimmy, by the spore, or sometimes the fragmentation. as sexual reproduction in bryophyte, in sexual reproduction, male part is Antheridium and female part is, female shows by the symbol, part is Archegonium. So Antheridium, which produces antherozoite, which is motile structure. Antherozoite is motile structure which reaches by the help of water in the archegonium and fuses with the egg cell, which is non-motile. Then formation of a type of diploid structure called zygote, and which develop into the embryo, and then new thallus produces in the bryophyte. Bryophyte is called as thallus like algae. So this is the second division of the plant kingdom. Third division is pteridophytes. We will discuss only two characters of pteridophyte. Pteridophytes mostly called as ferns. Why? And what is means of sun ferns? Sun ferns means the ferns which are found on the rocky or on the rocks of mountain called sun fern. Good example for sun ferns are like pteris and Bryopteris. Pteris and Bryopteris are called as sun ferns. But in pteridophyte, which generally division classified into the four classes, mostly the Lycopsida, which has one member, Lycopodium, and the Sphenopsida, which generally has the jointed stem. Good example is Equisetum. As Equisetum, common name is horse tail plant. So this is the horse tail plant. This is the NEET examination question. So Equisetum, common name is horse tail plant, and this is competitive question. Now next one is the Lycopsida. Lycopsida has one member as Lycopodium and another is called as Selaginella. This Selaginella has peculiar property because Selaginella which shows the seed habit. This is also a good example as ask the NEET examination. Here next class is Pteropsida, in which the ferns belong. I have told you more about the ferns. Now come to the gymnosperm, which is called as naked plants. Gymnosperm division, which generally divided into the different types of classes like the Psychotopsida, and here the Cycadopsida and Coniferopsida. The Coniferopsida as the Cycas, good example in conifer, Pinus and Thuja are good example. Sometimes Araucaria, which is called as monkey pudgel plant. Why it is called as monkey pudgel plant? Because the branching are horizontal to each other, and when monkey fall from top branch to lower branch, it fall down on the ground, So that is why it is called a monkey puzzle plant. Cycas, which contain largest ovule in the plant kingdom. Largest ovule in plant kingdom found in the cycas plant, and the seed here naked means fruit wall absent. Fruit wall absent, it means the seed called naked. So fruit wall absent or naked seed plant are gymnosperm. Generally unbranched in case of cycas and sometimes branch structure in case of pinus. Last division is angiosperm, which is called flowering plant, which are found mostly and generally. Angiosperm shows the 5 important characters. One character is seeds are source of new plant. Seeds are source of new plant. Second important character is alternation of generation present. Alternation of generation, I earlier discussed about alternation of generation means the sporophyte phase produces gametophyte and gametophyte phase again produces sporophyte by the gametic fusion. By the fusion of male and female gamete, zygote formation takes place, which is the first cell of sporophyte generation. Next character is, that is, in case of angiosperm, flower is reproductive structure. And you know that any type of plant beauty depends upon their flower. In the flower, pollination takes place. Flowers may be unisexual or bisexual on the basis of different types of plants. After pollination, then fertilization takes place when gamete fuses to each other and zygote formation occurs as a result of syngamy. But in the triple fusion, when male gamete fuses with the secondary cell, then a triploid cell produces which develop endosperm. So double fertilization is very important steps in the flowering plant, which is called as double fertilization. So double fertilization occur in the flowering plant. In this way, I will discuss here all the content, all the divisions. So total divisions are 5 divisions in the plant kingdoms, including the algae, bryophyte, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms, in which angiosperms are dominant on the earth, on the land. Sometimes few are found where the few amount of water and soil present. So today all the lectures delivers based on the topic plant kingdom. Very well, you shares and subscribes my channel. Okay, thank you.